2.4 gig digital spread spectrum conversion kit that I developed for the Outback Challenge in Australia about 11 years ago. It takes a conventional Tower Hobbies 6-channel or Futaba 6-channel radio and converts it, 72 meg radio, and converts it to 2.4 gigahertz. This has 8 servos. Servos 7 and servo 1 are slaved together, and servo 2 and 8 are slaved together. That gives you split aileron and split elevator. Throttle is a single servo, rudder is a single servo, channel 5 and channel 6. And the fail-safe configuration it's in right now, all the servos go to last known good. If you turn the transmitter off, everything stays where it's at. I can show you this by pulling the aileron stick to the left, turning the transmitter off, everything stays as it was. Turn it back on, the ailerons go back to neutral. If I take this jumper and put it in the center, power down the receiver, power up the transmitter, power up the receiver, confirm it's working. Then I turn the transmitter off. Channel 3, 5, and 6 go to the fail-safe mode. Turn it back on, they come out of the fail-safe mode. If I take that same jumper and put it in position 3, power down the receiver, power down the transmitter, power up the transmitter, power down the receiver, and then I go into fail-safe mode. All the servos will go to one extreme, which the Outback's Challenge wanted. They wanted low throttle, left rudder, down elevator, right aileron. They wanted to crash the airplane in the event they lost link with it. That represents all the servos going to their extremes. I didn't particularly agree with that. I would have preferred to try to save the airplane, but they said we had to sacrifice the airplane or they wouldn't let us fly. There's an arm pin right here. If you have to put that in the arm position before you can set the fail-safes. You select the sail face with this pin here, position 1, 2, or 3, or actually it's 1, 2, or 3, and then this push button allows you to set them. If the arm jumper is in the arm position, you can set it. If you take it off like this and either leave it off or store it in this position, now the button is enabled or disabled. It's inactive. We'll put it in the center position. Power down, power up the transmitter, power up the receiver. If I go to fail safe, throttle 5 and 6, articulate.